Kundi mwanya mwanya BIRA bikorwa na utumiri bwa MBAAKI ni biurĩtie mbunge ukurukira kamiti ya kigina kuongera ugoti bwa into THIkARA BIRA bithithagwa na MBAAKI je baugite je ni njira ĩmwe ya kunyia utumiri bwa into biba kiwa maguri ja nthiguru ni ja gutuma kinyandu kembe baba ingi bakomba kugura. Anthony Kathenya na Chekenya.
Akenya ngurani hamwe na ikundi mwanya mwanya bitebia KENDA muthenya omde na bithire na mbere ukinya maoni mao ma muswada wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 na 2025 mbele ya kamiti ya kigina ya bunge nene. Kiri bamwe babala bakinyire mbele ya kamiti eno ni ikundi bya kurwana utumiri bwa MBAAKI, ikundi bibi ilo Kenya Tobacco Control Alliance bakiole kamiti eno kuongera ugoti kiri into bionde bile bikothondeko na MBAAKI ilo THIkARA ile gutumira mainya amwe na nicotine pouches.
And we urge the committee to consider if the current proposal, rate on the nicotine pouches can be increased, then that would be even better. We also take note that there's a proposed increase on liquid nicotine in use in electronic cigarettes. The price was previously 74 Kenya shillings per milliliter, and the proposal is to increase it to 100 shillings per milliliter. That is welcome. But there is another critical category that has not been touched, and we are calling upon the committee to consider increasing taxes on that as well, and that is the category on the electronic cigarettes themselves and other electronic delivery systems, which are currently taxed at an ad valorem rate of 40% of the retail price.
Pray that we focus on health and help our country. Because when we even talk about taxation on tobacco and nicotine products, our focus should not be on revenue. It must be on public health, and a healthy citizenry is a healthy country.
Kuringa na ikundi bibi gitumi kinene bunge batele kuongera ugoti kiri into bibi ni ontwana banini bambirite go bitumira na nyuma ni gutura kunywa THIkARA onto borea bukuiga mitorele yao thenani nene.
Products including nicotine pouches are available even in convenience stores, in petrol stations, in supermarkets and kiosks, and therefore they cannot and must not be treated as cessation products. They are actually driving addiction, and evidence has shown that there are some who start with these products before they go to the other conventional tobacco products.
Bangi balea bakinyire mbere ya kamiti eno ni kundi bya kurungamira endia nchobi nabyo bikyorege bunge kunyogotikire nchobi ugoti borea bakuga botomito njoridi bayingi kuremwa kwa mbere Rwanda Kenya.
Currently tax terms we pay 1.5 shillings a bottle for beer. For the other countries you'll find Tanzania they pay 0.696 if it's a local beer, and then 1.12 if it's an imported beer. So even the imported beer gets a lower fee for tax stamps than what we have in Kenya.
It is sad and unfortunate that we are losing our competitive advantage. As a matter of fact, it is actually way better to set up in Tanzania, in Uganda, than in Kenya. It is sad and unfortunate that we are losing our competitive advantage. As a matter of fact, it is actually way better to set up in Tanzania, in Uganda, than in Kenya, because of the levels of taxations that we are sadly facing.
Amwe no kagita gaka mwekali tojwa kamiti ne akeyena na ugitabagatigira wongereku bulobo kodideka kire ugoti bwa into bimwe botesisi bei ya into bibi thokoni.
And what we are now trying to do is pull them to task and ask if those tax incentives are extended to them, will they transfer that to the consumers? Because what you see over time is if there is a proposal to increase anything, then the market will respond quickly by increasing even with a higher proportion than the increase. So we are looking at when we make decisions on areas that we need to save on, then we make sure that that incentive is actually extended to the market.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.